Hi everybody out there in YouTube land. I'm coming at you today with a home run and strikeouts for the month of May. Yes, May is ending soon, and before you know it, we'll be in June with a nice warm weather. So I'm coming at you with all my favorites, and I do this time have some fails, which are called strikeouts. So let's get right into it. We'll start with my hand lotion. I got the warm vanilla sugar and cream. And this is from the Signature Collection at Bath & Body Works. I've had this for a year and a half and it's going low. And I might need to see if they have another one to replenish this one. It smells just like vanilla. It has a hint of vanilla in it and it really softens your skin. It doesn't make it greasy at all. A little bit goes a long ways. Just to let you know. And we're going to go into hair. And I got the coconut shampoo, Dessert Essence coconut shampoo for dry hair. And this stuff is amazing. I forget who, Pink Foxy, I think that's her name. Pink So Foxy or Pink Foxy, something like that. I'll have her name below in case anybody's interested in checking her channel out. But she raves about these. When she talked about it in a video, I checked where she got them at online, and I so much love them. They have the most wonderful coconut scent. The coconut is a little bit in your hair. It's not strong. It does make your hair soft, manageable, no tangles, all that stuff. And Vitacost is where she got them at. If anybody's interested, they were like $3-4 somewhere around there. So go get you some. Go check them out. And along comes his friend. He has a friend, and it's called the Coconut Conditioner from Dessert Etsy. You know, and this stuff really does the job. I put it on for like 2 to 3 minutes, then I rinse it out, and my hair is soft, manageable, just like the shampoo, and I love it. It's about the same price as the conditioner, $3-4 bucks. Go get you some. Go check it out. They're awesome. And then my face, and then I have the Go 360 Clean Deep Exfoliating, and I got this at CVS. As you can see, the price is still on it. I've had this for quite a few months, $6.99, and I like that this, you pop this right out, and you can use this to scrub, exfoliate. This is better than St. Ives, not harsh at all. I mean, I had from here all the way down. You know, this is, I've used about that much, and that is quite a bit in a month because I love it, you know, because I'm running low on my Cetaphil, so I decided to start using this a little bit more to get this used up too. So, but I do like this, and I will use this more than the St. Ives. Sorry, St. Ives, you suck. Just for that one product. The rest of your stuff is awesome. And clock again, my son's. Anyways, the L'Oreal Paris Studio Strong Suit Mega Spritz Finishing Hairspray. I went back to using this because, you know, spring is here, you need something light. I feel like I need something light for my hair. I spritz a little bit of sin. It holds, it does the job, you know, it doesn't make your hair crunchy at all, you know. It does have a little bit of shine to it, not a whole lot, but enough where it works great. And I like it. And the other thing I have for my hair is John Frieda Root Awakening Improve Hair Health with Natural Eucalyptus Strength Boosting Leave-In Spray. Now this stuff, you spritz it in my hair, I feel like it's nourishing my hair, it's getting in there, it's really making it soft, silky, you know, manageable, no tangles or nothing, and it's safe for color treated hair. If people have color treated hair, you can, you know, use this. It also, I feel like it also helps it grow a little bit, you know. Maybe I could be wrong, but I just feel that way. But you just take this off, spritz a little bit in your hair, work it through, and you got yourself some nice, silky, manageable hair. Go, people, go, 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 people, go, go, go. And I've got something, it's a love-hate relationship. You know how that goes with a product. Some of you got that. I know I do. And that's with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. And this has aloe green tea, cucumber, and vitamin A, C, and E. This is hate. 1 minute it works great on me, helps set my makeup, and then the next thing my makeup is caking off within a couple hours. I don't know, maybe it's because I got oily skin and it doesn't like my oily skin, and I have no idea, but I've only used that much within a month and a half that I've used this, and I don't know if you can see a month and a half's worth there, but it's there, and I don't know if I'm going to repurchase it or not, because I love it 1 minute and then I hate it the next. You know, Model in the Bottle does a heck of a lot better than this. Sorry, Elf. But, and I got some nail polish. You gotta get nail polish for the spring and summer. And mine that I've been using a lot of is China Glaze, and it's called Escape in Reality. Escape in Reality. And then this is what it is. And I like it. I've used this. And then next time I took it off, a couple days later, I added it again with my NYC Long Lasting enamel with these little sparkly things on it. That went next, you know, on top of it, and it looks so nice. A lot of people like it. I Instagrammed it. If y'all care about my Instagram and want to go check it out, it's in there. You know, Cosmo Girl 72. Go check it out. And the last two products that I rave about, I know I rave about one the most, and it's called Cherry on Top, and that's by the Color Whispers. I love the Color Whisper line. This is the only one I got, but I like to get another one because I think they work as great as the these Color Burst ones, or whatever they're called. Yeah, the Color Burst Revlon. They work just as well. And this is what it looks like. And I'm going to swatch it. See? And I'm not into wearing red, but somehow this everybody raves that this looks great on my skin, on my lips. They said when you put it on, it brightens your face up. It looks really nice with the makeup. Continue wearing it. I said, but I don't like red. They said, who cares if you don't like red? It looks nice on you. So, guess I'm going to continue. And then this is Wild Watermelon from Revlon Color Burst. And that one right there, I like that one too. This one is like another reddish color, which is really nice. See? And that one's right there. And that one is another red one. It's really nice. Everybody says it looks nice on me. You know, I'm not into red, but I hate red. Shirts, pants. If I had a red pair of pants, I wouldn't wear them. Shirt, neither. Earrings, whatever. But people say that red looks good on my lips, so maybe I'll just stick with them too. You know. And the last thing I have, it's not makeup. It's not food. But it goes for your room. Any room in the house you want to use it in. It's called Candle Calf Chocolate Strawberry Room Fragrance. Smells just like chocolate strawberries. I mean, I love it. I mean, I sprayed it, and people come in and say, oh, did you make some chocolate strawberries? Like, nope, it's the room spray I have. And this, I paid only $1. Our local, what's it called? Thrift shop had a whole bunch of these. And they were just giving them away for $1. I don't know where they got them, but they were brand new, never opened or anything. They were sealed. So I bought one, figured I'd bring it home. And my boyfriend's like, why'd you get chocolate strawberry, and where'd you get it? And I told him, and then he's like, well, I like chocolate and you like strawberry combo, we'll deal with it. So, but he don't mind it because I don't use it every day. I use it once in a while here and there. But this month I used it quite a bit for some reason, and I love it. I use it in the bathroom, I use it in the living room, so it's awesome. And here comes my strikeouts. Strikeouts. Let's start with the most hated product of all. I wanted to love it, but I couldn't, and I hate it. It's the Wear Infinity Waterproof from L'Oreal Paris. It's in brown. I'm assuming that's the color. And this is it. I don't know if you can see it, but the tip keeps breaking. Every time I just start to do it, I start to go a little bit halfway, and then all of a sudden it breaks. Then I try to go the opposite way, and it breaks. And it's like, forget it. No matter which way I do it, it breaks. And this is all that's left, because it kept breaking. I said, forget it. It's going bye-byes. So, for L'Oreal Paris, you just made one sucky product I hate. Sorry, but I do not like it, and I will not repurchase this. I didn't pay a whole lot for it, thank God. So there. And Avon has the extra lasting eyeliner, this liquid liner. I do not like it for one. I don't mind. Let me show you. See, I don't mind the brush being so light, but look. See? Goes on like that, but when I put it on my eyes, it goes on perfect. and then within an hour and a half, 2 hours, the most I've ever had on was 2.5 hours, then it just starts coming off. Very little of it, and it just like comes off, and I hate that it's coming off. So I don't like it. I mean, I guess because I got oily lids, and my oily lids can't deal with this, and it's just like within an hour and a half, 2.5, it's like coming off, and I'm like, why, since I'm wearing it, took all the effort to put it on, and it's coming off, forget it. I even tried to do a wing liner for my first time because I never did one before, and forget it, within an hour it was coming off. I said, forget it, this is going bye-byes, Avon. You just didn't make a good product. Sorry. And another thing that I got, I don't remember where I got them from, but it's called Cargo Swimmable Eye Pencils. They're eyeliners. This one's in a blue color, and no, this one is in green. See, green, 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 and this is what it's called. And this is it, and I'll swatch it. See, it's like a greenish blue. But the only thing I don't like about it, it doesn't stay on. Put it in an hour, hour and a half, it's coming off. It says it's swimmable, maybe because my eyes are, like I say, oily. They don't care. They don't want to come, you know, stay on. But I don't like it. But I can find a home for it, someone that can use it. I don't want to see them go to waste. And this one is charcoal. It's Cargo Swimmable. And this one is right there. You know. And it does the same thing. I just put on, and then within an hour and a half, it's like coming off. It doesn't stay on very long, and it also gives me, and I have a hard time putting it on. I don't know, so my eyelids are like clean and everything, and I just start to put it on, it does okay, and then you start to do more of it, and it's like coming up, like not staying on. I have to really press to put it on and everything, but when I put it on my hand, it goes on perfect, but when I go to put it on my eyes, I have to like really get in there and press and pull and everything, so I hate it. So those are going to get a new home. I hate to see them go to waste. I mean, I know someone that might be able to use them. But other than that, those are my home runs and strikeouts for the month of May. I hope you all enjoyed it. And I would like you to thumbs it up. Please let me know any other videos you want me to do, because I'm stuck on what to do for videos. Comment below. Let me know what videos you want me to do. And I'll do them the best I can. And hope to hear from you soon. Bye, you all.